Hello, it's Palmieri from Lexus of Oakville. By special request, I'm going to show you how to operate your long-range remote starter today with a 2016 Lexus RX 350. There's two ways to start your remote starter. The short-range remote and also the Lexus long-range remote. With the short-range remote, what you're going to do is press the lock button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and hold down the third click the whole time until the lights start to flash, and now the vehicle will start. With the Lexus long-range remote, you press the middle button and the start button on the top. This does up to an 850-meter distance. You also notice the green light there as a confirmation that the remote starter has turned on the car. If you would like to turn off the vehicle with the long-range remote, you press the middle button again and the bottom button. And now that will turn off your Lexus. If you have any additional questions, please direct message me. We'd be happy to help with your Lexus long-range remote.